Welcome to my YouTube channel, Appliance Flipper 8590. On this channel, I'll be showing you how to repair washers, dryers, stoves, and refrigerators. So subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, comment, if you like it or not. I can take it all. I'm a man, I can take it all. And if you would like to purchase parts and tools needed to complete the repair, there's a link in the description box. So, I have links there for tools that you might not have, as well as parts. Also, if you'd like to contribute to the production of these videos, there'll be a PayPal link in the description. So let's get started. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is remove the power plug from the wall. Okay, today I will be replacing the roller on the bulkhead. A lot of times the noisy, you hear a loud noise on your dryer. It's your bad roller that needs to be replaced. I'll be doing this one that's on the bulkhead. They have 4 rollers, 2 in the front on the bulkhead and 2 in the back. I'll show you one. You do the same thing on all 4. Okay, first thing we want to do is open the lid of the gas dryer. You're going to need 2 flathead screwdrivers. You're going to stick one screwdriver in there to kind of open the lid, and the second to push the tab in. Okay, you're going to stick it in there to lift the lid. The second screwdriver, you're going to push the tab in, which will pop the lid open. Just pushing the tab like so. Okay, now you're gonna remove the light switch for the interior light, and a Phillips head screw mounts the front panel, one on the left and one on the right. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 Phillips head screws to remove this front panel. If you like this video, subscribe, comment, and like the video. I will be having many more videos on appliance repair. Okay, that I got rid of all 6 of the Phillips head screws, I believe. Okay, now you're gonna pull the front panel out a little, and you're gonna remove the door switch, which is a plug-in, and you basically just gotta work his way out. Now you're gonna lift and put the front panel to the side.
I'm going to disconnect this connector right here. That's connected to the bulkhead. So when you take the bulkhead off, that's connected, so you won't be able to remove the bulkhead because of that wire. Now we're going to remove the bulkhead, which has 4 Phillips head screws. Easy peasy, just 4 Phillips head screws. Mount that onto the drum of the dryer. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Much more content on appliance repair. Save you a few bucks. Okay, once you remove the screws, mounting screws, you're gonna kind of lift up on the bulkhead. There's 4 connections in there that mount it, and just take it and put it to the side. Now what we're gonna do is remove the dryer belt, which is wrapped around the motor pulley as well as the idler pulley. And I really couldn't show that because the camera can get down there, but I did do a explanation. Right there, I put the letter F on the drum to show you that's the front of the drum, because a lot of times you can't tell the back from the front of the drum. So I put the letter F around the whole drum just to show, okay, this is the front of the drum. Here's a quick explanation on how to remove the belt. You got to imagine the drum is in there. You're going to pull up on the idler pulley there. That will loosen the belt, and then you take it off the motor pulley, which is to the left of the idler pulley, and you take it off the idler pulley. Okay, here's the bulkhead, and there's the roller that I was going to remove. I have some picks. What you do is just put your picks into the triangle plastic clip and work its way off. And this one's just gonna fly off for a second, and before you know it, it's gonna be off. Okay, and you just remove the roller. Okay, you're gonna want to clean the rod there before you replace the new roller on there. Clean it off with some type of cleaning agent, and just slide the roller back on and replace the plastic triangle clip. Take a little spin to make sure it spins really good. Here's the model number of this particular dryer. And what we're gonna do now is replace the drum. There's your F for front, so you know that's the front of the drum. And what I'm showing you now is the belt, where the belt goes. That has a little mark on it from previous belts, so you know where the belt goes on there when you do put the drum, when you are replacing the drum. Okay, what you want to do is wrap the belt, and you see the lines that goes on the drum. Make contact with the drum. That part's on the drum. Just wrap it around the drum. Kind of put it in the general area of where the marks are for the belt. And you're gonna grab the belt with your left hand and slide the drum with your right. Kind of sit it in there. Put it right in the area, the belt right in the area where the drum needs to sit. You know, they sit on the rollers. You do have 2 rollers in the back. Okay, here's a little example of how you mount the belt onto the dryer, because you can't really show it because the drum blocking everything, and I can't get a camera in there. You just wrap the belt underneath the white plastic pulley and onto the motor pulley. See the yellow part? So underneath the white and around the yellow area, that'll do it, and it wraps around the drum. Okay, now I'm mounting the bulkhead back on. The rollers go underneath the drum, not in front of the drum. So make sure you kind of lift that drum up when you're mounting it. And what I usually do is lean the dryer back and you put the pivot points inside the bulkhead, inside the side of the dryer. You see you have little connections that they slide in. If you're having trouble, more than likely the bottom rollers are not underneath the drum yet. Once you get it positioned there, then it'll go in pretty easy. Then I give it a little spin to make sure the belt is on good. A lot of times the belt's not all the way on in the pop. So what we're gonna do now is mount the 4 Phillip head screws to secure the bulkhead onto the body of the dryer. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Appliance Flipper 8590. This will save you a few bucks. So I have the Phillips head secured for the bulkhead. Now you're gonna reconnect the moisture sensor. Really easy. Snap it back in place. And those 3 dots right there, those are guides for your front panel to go back on. And you see it's 3 there and it's 3 holes there. So just like kindergarten, match the little holes into the place. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, now I line the holes back up. I'm screwing the Phillips head into the front panel to secure it. Oh, Phillips fell. Okay, now I'm reconnecting the connection for the light, interior light of the dryer, and I'm reconnecting the door switch. Gotta make sure all that stuff's going on. Or door switch won't start at all if you don't reconnect it. Sometimes you do forget. Okay, now I'm remounting the Phillips head screws that go onto the front panel, the front of it, right behind the door. There's 6 screws that go into that. This is not out of 5. I will say difficulty rating is maybe a 3. This is a pretty simple job, but you know, kind of expensive if you have a service guy come do it. But pretty simple job. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the station. I'm gonna have a lot more. Start stepping my content up for 2024. So what I do with the 6 screws, I screw them in kind of lightly, not all the way. And then once I get all 6 of them in, then I tighten them down. Because a lot of times you need wiggle room. Okay, all 6 screws are mounted. And I'm closing the lid. And we'll call it a day. Okay, I want to apologize. I said 6 screws, and it's actually 8 screws that go on the front there. So that's my bad. I'll be doing many more how-to step-by-step videos on how to repair appliances. So hit the like button, comment, good or bad, subscribe to the station so you can see these videos. And if I am using a part to repair the appliance, a link will be in the description so you can buy from this channel. Have a good